So, let me ask you a question. Do you enjoy stir fry?
I do. I do. It's quite tasty.
For right now, we're talking about this interesting little game, Stir Fry 18. This comes from Yanaguana Games, and apparently they are definitely trying to promote this because they've created their own hashtag SF18. Hashtag SF18. It's a micro game. Are you familiar with that trend?
I know. Until I read it on the box, I'd never heard of a micro game. So what is a micro game?
So a micro game contains very, very few components, typically a small number of cards or tiles, and the game is played by using a great deal of strategy to maximize the benefits you receive from that small number of tiles or cards.
So a micro game is not a tiny game that will pop up in the middle of your larger board game.
No, although the game within a game concept is very intriguing.
They do it on Farmville, so...
Oh.
Okay, so let's play.
Okay, let's play. Now the entire game consists of exactly 18 cards. And these 18 cards are food items that you're going to throw into a stir fry.
Ooh.
Let's go ahead and... I think you might be better at shuffling than I am.
Alright. So this is this like fry cook? Or
is,
fish cook?
It reminds me of fish cook.
Yeah.
Okay, so each person gets 3 cards.
Do we look at them?
You can look at them. On your turn, first you draw a card.
Mm-hmm.
Now, you may discard cards in order to draw more. The more ingredients you have, the easier it is for you to make a stir fry, which is your end goal. Stir fries give you points.
Okay.
Now, you may discard a protein card, for instance, chicken, to draw new cards, or you may discard non-protein cards in pairs in order to draw new cards. When you discard your cards, you do them face down. So, for example, I'm going to discard my chicken.
So if you're discarding it face down, how do I know that you had chicken in order to warrant 3 cards drawn?
Aha! That's the thing. If you suspect I'm not actually discarding the thing you think I am, you can call for a taste test in which the cards are revealed.
I see. And then what?
And then what? I have to reveal my card.
Okay, but what if I called wrong and you weren't actually bluffing?
Well, you get a penalty whoever is in the wrong. If I bluffed and my bluff is called, I have to discard cards and I lose points. But if I was telling the truth, then you have to discard 5 cards. And if you don't have enough cards to discard, you lose points.
So, for instance, he did not discard chicken.
So, the accusing chef draws an extra card at the beginning of your next turn.
Okay.
So now, I can start making stir fries.
Okay.
Stir fries can include anywhere from 3 to 5 ingredients. But one of those ingredients must be noodles.
Oh.
Stir fry some noodles with chicken, ginger, and mushrooms.
Ooh. So the amount this stir fry would be worth 4, 7, 8 points?
Yes. It's time to end my turn. All of the discarded and cooked items get shuffled back into the deck. The deck is constantly being shuffled and recycled.
So how do you keep track of the points? You know, we gotta keep track of our Yahtzee.
Yeah, that's true. So make sure that you have a way to keep track of points, since the game itself does not provide this for you.
It's very little. It's just a tiny box.
Yeah.
You see.
Since I cooked, so I will draw a card. If I have more than 3 cards, which I don't, I discard down to 3 and then shuffle the deck again.
So every turn, the deck gets shuffled at
turn.
least once.
At least once. Okay.
My turn?
Your turn.
My turn.
So you draw 2 cards instead of 1.
2 cards. So I will make my stir fry.
Okay.
I put down noodles
Mm-hmm.
because I must have noodles to cook. And I have soy sauce, which I am also using with ginger.
Uh-huh. So you get a bonus.
And this is a double protein. I've got chicken.
Mm-hmm.
And I've got shrimp, which is 9 points if cooked with ginger, and 11 points if cooked with soy sauce and ginger. So I have 11 plus 3, which is 14, plus 2, 16, and 3, so that is 19, and 1, 20.
Uh-huh.
I have 20 points.
20 points.
All right, so then all of these go back into the deck to be shuffled.
Mm-hmm.
Woo, woo, woo.
So, it is my turn.
It is your turn.
So, I draw 1 card.
You need to hide your cards better from me.
Okay, so I will discard a pair of non-proteins. I'm going to cook noodles with mushrooms and soy sauce.
All right.
So that's going to be a measly little 4 points, but it's better than no points.
And I discard a shrimp for 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right. And
By the way.
yeah.
I'm going to cover my eyes and close them, show them to the camera, and see if you really discarded a shrimp. Should I have called this? I don't know.
Okay.
Okay.
So I'm going to cook some noodles with some ginger and mushroom.
Mm-hmm.
So I have 4 plus 1 is 5. That means that I now have 20. Ooh, 25 points.
Now, being at 25 points, she is now halfway to victory. Let's see. I draw my 1. I decline to discard. I decline to cook.
Okay.
My turn ends.
I draw a card. I decline to discard. I decline to cook.
Okay. I draw a card. I discard 2 ingredients to get 3. I decline to cook. And I discard down to 3.
1. I decline to cook.
Okay. So, I draw 1. I decline to discard. I will make noodles with soy sauce and ginger. Also, mushrooms.
Oh, wait a minute. I can discard.
You can discard.
Before I draw, or can I discard after I draw?
After you draw.
So the 2 proteins have to be the same. The 2 veggies have to be the same veggies.
Correct.
Okay.
But it's face down, so I'll never know.
Right.
Or will I?
I'm gonna discard a shrimp for 4.
J'accuse! I call for a taste test. And it's a shrimp. If I had 5 cards right now, I'd lose 5 cards. But instead, I lose 5 points.
I'm gonna make some noodles, and I'm gonna put some soy sauce in it, and I'm gonna put some green onion in it, and I'm gonna put some ginger in it. Okay, so I have 2 plus 3 is 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 1 is 9. So I go to
It'd be 34.
30. What are the odds of having 2 shrimps? I ask you, are you hungry right now?
I'm getting there.
Yeah, this is I kind of want some stir fry now.
Yeah, I kind of want some of that Mongolian grill where you can load up the bowl and just Okay, I will make noodles with mushrooms and soy sauce. It's a measly 4 points, but it's better than nothing.
All right, I draw 1. I want noodle bowl for lunch. Okay, I serve my noodles with mushrooms, green onion, and ginger. So I have 2, 5, 7, 8. I'm so close.
Okay. So I draw 1. And that's all I can do.
Okay.
This is a fun little game.
I like it.
Yeah,
I like it.
It's worth $10. I'd pay $10 for this.
It was $10?
It was $10.
Okay.
It's more fun with more people, I would imagine.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, I mean, you're going to go through the deck really fast if you have 5 people playing.
Yeah.
Make some noodles. To those noodles, I add some mushrooms and some green onions and a shrimp. The shrimp is 6 points. It's cooked with green onion, which is 5 points if cooked with shrimp. So I have 6 plus 5 is 11, plus 2 is 13, plus 1 is 14, and that puts me over 50 points.
There you go. Wins the game with 56.
All right, I like this. This was cute.
Yeah. So thoughts?
It was fun. You said it was $10 for this?
Yes, I could see traveling with this game.
Yeah. I mean, well, okay. So, simplicity-wise, it's not $10 worth of equipment.
No.
But for the amount of play that you get out of it, it is good. It's very good. It's it's fun. It's exciting. There's bluffing. There's adding.
Bluffing games are always at their best with at a minimum of 3 people.
Yeah.
Hungry now.
I am so hungry now.
Yes. All right. So until next time, don't forget to live your life the Meeple Witch way. Dine in
And game on.